This 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths Lakeshore Schools home is clean and well updated. The exterior of this home is brick with a fresh coat of paint on the siding, replacement windows, a new welcoming front entry door with carriage lights. The interior features updated carpet in several rooms, fresh paint throughout, and all 3 bathrooms have a nice updated look. The family room features a fireplace and a replacement sliding door leading to the brick paver patio looking over the fenced-in backyard. The kitchen is light and open to the family room and dining room. This home also has a main floor laundry. The master bedroom includes a master bath with new cabinets, shower, ample closet space, and several windows for good lighting. The finished basement has fresh paint, OLG rec room, and an OR office. A new roof was installed in 2016 and furnace in 2011. This is a clean, well cared for home in a great lake.